Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Jurassic World Evolution 3 not launching or crashing on PC. These are simple, step-by-step solutions that should get your game running again. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Sometimes, the game won't launch because of missing or corrupted files. To fix this, open Steam. Go to your library and locate Jurassic World Evolution 3. Right-click the game and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now wait while Steam checks and repairs your game files. Once it's done, try launching the game again. Solution 2. This step helps if your game is crashing immediately after launch. Right-click Jurassic World Evolution 3 in your Steam library. Select Properties, then go to Installed Files. Click Browse Local Files to open the game's folder. Find jwe3.exe, right-click it, and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab, check Run this program as an administrator, and disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now, launch the game again and see if it starts properly. Update your GPU drivers via Device Manager. Outdated graphics drivers are a common reason for crashes. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest available drivers, then restart your PC and try launching the game. Solution 4. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, this is the best way to update your drivers manually. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App, then open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it. After updating, restart your PC and launch Jurassic World Evolution 3 again. Solution 5. Missing or broken Visual C++ libraries can cause launch crashes. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and look for the x86 and x64 versions. Download both vcredist.x86.exe and vcredist.x64.exe. Once downloaded, open your Downloads folder, double-click vcredist.x64.exe, click Yes, accept the terms, and install it. When finished, click Close. Don't restart yet. Now, double-click vcredist.x86.exe, click Yes, accept the terms, and install it as well. Finally, restart your PC to apply the changes. Now your system should have all the dependencies the game needs to run, and that's it. After following these steps, Jurassic World Evolution 3 should launch normally without crashing. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.